Founded in 2009, Shenzhen Alacrity Bar Technology Company Limited is a prestigious corporation featuring great technological strength, good business reputation, bright prospect with principal businesses, covering in research, manufacture and development of automatic identification devices such as barcode scanner, thermal printer, POS peripherals for 8 years. Business scope covers 5 continents worldwide. Located in famous coastal city, Shenzhen in Guangdong province, we enjoy convenient access to major transportation networks, covering an area of 3,500 square meters, guaranteeing stable and timely supply, credible quality and sincere service. ISO 9001, ROS, CE certificated. Our products sell well in both domestic and overseas markets. With a wide range, strict quality control, reasonable prices, and stylish designs, our products are extensively used in all kinds of fields: government, public utilities, medical treatment and public health, logistics supply chain, warehouse management, retail, supermarket, shopping mall, manufacturer, telecom power, insurance and finance, railroad transportation, water environmental protection, industry and commerce tax, meteorological and earthquake, energy source, petroleum and petrochemical, product sourcing, food security, and also create great economic benefit and social benefit for their enterprises. In the recent, Alacrity technology never stops innovating because we discover more chances in the future. Alacrity technology policy are offer more innovative and valuable products as well as better services and win-win cooperation rules.